Teresa? A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L.
It moved up in the scale.
No, that's L. Like my name. Leanne. L. Can you say L?
L.
There you go. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. No, it's S. T. U. You sure that robot's in the alphabet, are you? U. V. W. Nope, W. X. Y. Z. Yay!
Yay! Can you give Aunt Laney a kiss on her nose?
Or on my shoulder.
Say, pull me up, pull me up.
Okay.
Hey, little girl. Teresa, can you say robot?
Robot.
Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.